Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss about algebraic solutions for linear inequalities in one variable and its graphical representation. We can find the solutions for the linear inequality using the trial and error method, but sometimes this method is not feasible and it takes more time to compute the solution. That means it is a lengthy process. Just transposing one-on-one values or by intuitions method. We can obtain the solution, but that becomes very long solution. Okay, steps will be longer there. So we can solve the linear inequality using the numerical approach. So we have some golden rules for you all. Rule number 1, add or subtract the same number on both the sides of an equation without affecting the sign of the inequality. Likewise, the way you have studied in your previous classes, the rules for solving linear equations in one variable or two variable. In both the cases, we used to add or subtract any non-zero number to both the sides. The equations never changes, isn't it? You can add anything or subtract, multiply, divide. All four operations can be performed on that equation. Second is multiply or divide both sides by an inequality equations by the same positive number. Now, let us discuss a few examples of solving the linear inequalities in one variable and its graphical representation. One extra rule which needs to be added here is, if you multiply, make sure that you make the coefficient of x. If the coefficient of x is negative, you need to make this positive. Suppose minus x is more than 0. Okay, for example, if minus x is more than 0, which is not possible only. Suppose minus x is less than 0. If I want to make x as positive, you multiply both the sides by minus 1. So minus x into minus 1 less than 0 into minus 1. Remember, whenever you multiply a negative number to both the sides of inequality, then the sign gets reversed. So in place of this less than sign, it becomes more than sign. That becomes positive x is more than 0. All right. So this is how you need to apply this particular rule if you face questions like wherever the coefficient of x is negative. Let us see some examples here. Find the value of the variable x for the inequality 4x plus 3 less than 6x plus 7. We'll go step by step here. We'll try to remove all the constants and take all the variables to the left hand side, adding minus 6 on both the sides of inequality. The purpose of adding minus 6 to both the sides is to remove this plus 6 from the right hand side. So 4x plus 3 minus 6x less than 6x plus 7 minus 6x. This gets cancelled. We are left with 7 now. Now you got minus 2x plus 3 is less than 7. Now let's remove 7 from here. What you will do? If you remove 7 from here, what you will do? Minus 7. So what I'll do here is, I'll remove this 3 from here itself directly. So if I remove 3 from here, what I'll do minus to both the sides. So minus 2x plus 3 minus 3 less than 7 minus 3. So we'll get this result, minus 2x is less than 4. Now, as you see, the coefficient of x is minus 2. So what I'll do here is, I'll divide the given part, the LHS part, with minus 2. So minus 2x by minus 2 is more than 4 by minus 2. Remember, because I have divided with negative number, so the inequality sign gets reversed. So it was less than becomes more than, gets cancelled, so it becomes minus 2. So x is more than minus 2 here. Therefore all the real numbers more than minus 2. So more than minus 2 means what? Minus 2 and going to the right hand side, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 till infinity. So opening at minus 2 and closing at infinity, isn't it? So minus 2 to infinity in open intervals will be the solution set of the given inequality. Let's talk about next example. The linear inequality is 3x minus 4 divided by 2 is more than equal to x plus 1 divided by 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. Just give me a moment. X minus 3. This is the inequality actually. There was a wrong one. All right. So here what I'll do to the both inside, there's a denominator 2 here, so we need to remove 2, so we'll multiply by 2 both the sides. So you get 2 3x minus 4 by 2 more than equal to x minus 3 by 4, isn't it? X minus 3 by 4 multiplied by 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 2 gets cancelled. Again 2 is left here. So you can shift or transpose this 2 to the left hand side. So it becomes 2 3x minus 4 more than equals to x minus 3. Now multiply it. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. This is called as distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. More than equal to x minus 3. Now as per the rule, you can transpose the variable x to the left hand side, or by long method you can keep adding and subtracting to remove the right hand side part. Okay, so if you subtract minus x both the sides, you get 6x minus x as 5x, and from here this x will go off, becomes minus 3. Okay, now we have to remove minus 3 minus 8 from here, so we'll do plus 8 to the both inside, you get plus 5 here. What I mean to say here is, either you can do or apply the equation rule, that is 6x minus x more than equals to minus 3 plus 8. Okay, like this also you can do. That becomes 5x more than equals to minus 3 plus 8 is 5. So dividing by 5, you get x more than equal to 1. That is, x is more than equal to 5 by 5, which is x more than equal to 1. So it is equal to 1. That means the solution set will be given as in a graphical way as this. Okay, the solution set will be more than 1, equal to 1. So 1 to infinity it will going. Okay, 1 to infinity. So it is closing here and opening here. All right, so close interval 1 to infinity is going. All right, so this is the solution set of the given linear inequality. So that's all from today class. We'll talk about the next topic in the next class. If you face any problem, you can ask in your virtual class. Thank you.